Cashback credit cards can help you save money on your daily expenses by rewarding you with a percentage of your spending. These cards allow you to earn cash back on everyday purchases like groceries, dining, or gas, depending on the card's rewards program. Some cards offer a flat rate on all purchases, while others provide higher rewards for specific spending categories or rotating bonus categories. To maximize your savings, start by reviewing your spending habits. Identify where you spend the most, such as groceries, dining, or entertainment, and choose a card that offers the best cashback rate for those categories. For example, if you spend $400 per month on groceries and another $200 dining out, a card that offers 2% cashback could earn you around $144 a year just from those expenses. Be mindful of any annual fees and ensure your cashback earnings outweigh those costs. Once you've earned cash back, you can redeem it in various ways such as statement credits, direct deposits, or gift cards. Some cards also let you use cashback rewards for travel or to pay down other debts. The key is to have a strategy. Choose a card that fits your spending patterns and make sure to redeem your rewards before they expire, allowing you to save more on your regular purchases.